this video we'll talk about an important subject, which is the HTML styles. So let's create firstly some examples, some HTML element, for example a heading. This is the first heading. Let's add another one. This is the second heading, and let's add a third one, and let's create some paragraphs. For example, this is a paragraph, and let's create another one. This is another paragraph. So in HTML there is an attribute which is the style attribute. So this attribute is used to style an HTML element. For example, to add styles to an HTML element, for example size, background color, text alignment, etc. So first let's see what we have created. So this is the first heading, second, third one, and so on. So let's add our first style to our body element. So we will use the style attribute, and we will add a background color, for example powder blue. So this is a background color for our HTML element body. So let's add, for example, a text color for our first heading. So for that we use the text or the color property. So for example the red color, and for the second one we will choose the blue color, and for the third one we will choose the green color green. So this is a red heading, blue one, and a green heading. So for our paragraph, let's add some font size. For that we will use the font size property, and we will choose, for example, 50 pixels, and for the second one we will use or choose, for example, 100 pixels. Let's see the result. So as you see, this is a paragraph, this is another one. So I forgot to add this is another one. As you see, there is a difference between the font size of each paragraph. So there is another style property which is the font family. So let's add a font family for our first paragraph. For example, we will use, for example, Verdana, and for the second one we use the Arial font family, and let's see the result. So this is the Verdana font family, and this is the Arial font family. There is another important style property which is the text alignment. So let's align our headings. So for the first heading we will use the start alignment. For the second one we will use center alignment, and for the last one we will use an end text alignment. So let's see the results. So as you see, this is the start text alignment, this is center, and this is an end text alignment. So yeah, this is it for HTML styles, and hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos, and see you soon.